kitchen is a mess this morning. So this is it. The next day after Salah. This is the meat. It's frozen. I did it. Good morning. If I don't write, I forget. Place everywhere is dirty. So guys, this is my portion. Hi guys, good morning. She's buying a lot. I've not even brushed her teeth, but I've eaten. To go and check if I'll see this thing to buy for you. You guys, so some of you have been asking the mosquito repellents that Yomi uses. So this is it. Anyways, he's out of it. I was supposed to buy these things since, but it's been skipping my mind. But right now, I want to go to the pharmacy just a stone throw from my house and check if they have this. Hopefully they have it, please, because the only next place that I have to go is either H Medics or when I get to the market, there's like a big pharmacy close to the market. So I just hope these people have it. I also want to buy like coconut milk and basically some things to make rice tomorrow. So let's go. Okay, come with me. Hi guys, good morning. I'm just coming from the market. Today is what? Anyways, let's not bother about that. It's the next day after Salah. I just got back from the market. I made the mini market just by my house here. The spaghetti I made yesterday, I don't know if it really banks like that. My son loves it so much. In fact, this morning when I was coming out of the kitchen, he was expecting I was going to come out with this bag, but when he didn't see anything in my hand, he started crying. Like the cry was too much. I just quickly had to run to the market around my house to like buy spag and other things that I used to make it. And before I went, I told Blessing to like cook indomie for him because it's kind of similar, even though he knows the difference. And so that's what he's eating now. So I want to make like big pot of spaghetti for this boy, and I would like save it in the freezer. Whenever he wants to eat, take it from there, microwave it for him to eat, or warm it, whichever one. Right now, that's what I want to do. And I also want to show you guys the meat that I promised to show you guys that I give my husband for Salah in the office. It's here. It's locked, so I brought it out of the freezer for it to defrost. And let me just quickly do a market haul for you guys. The things that I got, the meaty things that I got for you guys to see. Transportation cost too. Like normally I can walk from my house to that market, but because I don't have the strength, I always don't have the strength. And I use bike that they used to charge 15 naira before, now 100 naira. Because everywhere is just dry because everyone have gone for Salah. Anyways, let's just get busy. I'm going to be using, I also want to make like jollof rice. By the time I finish cooking the meat, I want to use like the meat water to make jollof rice. Maybe I'll make the pasta later on, but today I'll make jollof rice this morning, and then oh my gosh, I was supposed to buy foil. I would grill the meat after cooking it. I think I just want to start with the meat first so that I have the meat stock that I'll use to cook the jollof rice. And if it remains, I'll use it to make the pasta. So, but just know that I want to make a very big pot of pasta. And when I say big pot, I'm talking about just 2 pastas, but it rises so well. I don't know about this brand that I got, but I just hope it will rise. I know Golden Penny used to rise really well. Yeah, let me just quickly show you guys things that I got. Okay. The kitchen is a mess this morning. I've not cleaned anywhere. Blessing this to help me clean. She's She was cooking for Yomi because the cry that boy cried this morning. And hey, for hunger. Since why I won't even brush, I'm gonna brush again. I was like, you know what? Let my baby eat. Not be today. I don't know where he's going to that he must brush his teeth. Tomorrow I'll brush him, or maybe when he's having his bath. Let me just quickly show you guys things that I got. Okay. So I bought spring onions. I'm gonna do that one after the other because I'm using one hand. I bought eggs. I want to make it really nice. I bought eggs. This is 500 naira worth of eggs, 500 naira each. I got spring onions for 100 naira. I think it's fair. Oh no. These people, their things don't cost too much for this Abuja. I bought spring onions. This is 100 naira. This is 100 naira worth of spring onions. I got what's this? Okay, I bought fresh pepper. This is 200 naira worth of fresh pepper, and I want to blend that now before they see the light. Also, they will notice this. I bought chicken franks. This is 1, 2, yeah, but in the market it's 1,000 or 1,1, I think. I got like some spices. I got bailey. This is 15 naira. I bought 2. I bought this mixed spice. This is 15 naira. I bought sachet tomato. I already have some more. I bought like a roll, a little rolls last time, so I just in case, because I want to make like in bulk and put everything in the fridge. I don't get strength. So I want to try tasty tom jollof mix. I hope I like it. Normally I like gin or sha, but let me try something different. They're not swear for me. I bought last one beef spice because I told you I want to cook the meat and spice it very well. I bought jollof rice spice for the rice and the stock, so I got like 4. I got lasso chicken spice because I love my lasso chicken. I got thyme, dried thyme. I got this for all the spices that I use for 50 naira each. So this is 100 naira. And this is the brand of the spaghetti I was telling you guys. Mia Nabo, I don't know. It's from Golden Penny too, though. I just hope it rises well because the red one needs to rise well. So I got 2 of that and I'm cooking the 2 at once. I got chicken Maggi. This is like 100 naira, 2 for 15 naira. More bay leaf. I just because I bought 2. I got, and lastly, granite oil. This is power oil. I have to ask. Mostly the ones I used to buy is like King's, but stuff. I mean, as long as there's no cholesterol, I'm good. This is for 1, 2, and it's the same price in the market. Excuse me. Okay, in the market is 1,1 or 1,000. But I know King's is 1,1. Yeah, so these are pretty much the things that I got, and this is the meat. Let's just start cooking, guys. Okay. First I'll blend my pepper, and yeah, I have onions at home, so I didn't bother. And as always, I want to take you guys through the process of cooking, through the rigorous process of cooking, but I'll show you guys the aftermath as always, as usual, definitely. So yeah, this is the meat. It's frozen. I told you guys I'll wait for it to defrost. I've already dropped what I used to cut it. They would always add momo, because what's this? They would always add momo. In fact, they share all the parts of the meat for everyone. So this is shaki, and there's roundabout, see, and other parts, there's beef, and yeah, I'll just like cut this up and just cook basically. I'm going to pour this thing. I will think carry me come out of it. Okay. The sachets or the pour it? The sachet, yes. You know their prices here.
Okay, go. This one is like 600 or so.
600.
This one is 950, I'm sure. 900, 950.
This one I'm taking. like coconut spaghetti. I want that creamy coconut spaghetti, so I rushed to the supermarket to get it. I didn't find it in the market. That's why I didn't even remember I was going to use it. Then I got some peanuts for my cereal later. This is like 100 naira. I bought this for 600. I bought this for 1 key. Okay. Then you know your girl, she must buy bread. I cannot go on bread, I cannot buy it. So I bought something different this one, and let me just try this one and see. Small sliced bread. Yo. Yeah. Ice cream for you because he really likes it. That's why I bought it. I want to mix these two. I couldn't buy this one and another one. So I'm sure for this one to be expensive, it's really good. That's why I just bought it too. Yeah. What kind of nonsense is this? Honestly, I wanted to buy foil. You see why I don't like going to anywhere to do any shopping without writing the things that I need to get on my notes. If I don't write, I forget, and I end up buying the things that I don't need and come back and then start looking for the things that I need again. It's just annoying. I wanted to buy foil, like honestly. Now I'm going to be when I go market next time, Sha. This is what my husband said I should blend for him. Cucumber, some bananas, and of course I'm going to be adding some pig milk. That's what I want to blend now with a hand blender. Then I will transfer it to a blender. In the pot for Yomi. It's because of him I cooked 2 spaghetti. So I'll save this one in the freezer for him. Anytime he wants to eat, to microwave a little for him. Still remaining plenty. This pot is big. It's not my biggest pot. Okay, it's my semi-bigger pot. So yeah. So yeah, your girl has finished cooking. I need to place everywhere is dirty, so after eating I'll wash the dishes, and I need to go and eat now. Then I'll feed Yomi later. Yeah, so that's it. So this is the meat. I finished cooking it since Sha, but I wanted to just finish this part before I grill it. So by the time I finish eating, I'll just come and put that in the oven and allow it to dry very well. Then later in the day I'll make jollof rice for us. Hopefully, if not, we'll just eat them. But honestly, I'm eating rice too much these days.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the clients out, though. I'm a mind that's with the dog, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that they're both like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry, yo. I need to go and shayo, I need to go and shayo, I need to go and shayo, I need to go and shayo.